Where's the thief? Where's the thief? Okay, there. Oh, wow, where? What? Now, how did I see the thief? I need your help to switch on my headlights. Please help me to catch the thief. 3, 2, 1, and go! Caught the thief. Hello everyone, welcome back to Shortest Code. This is me, Srivastava. Hope you're fine. Today I will create a police headlight in Kerala. So I've already coded for that. Now I open Kerala. This is the town. And now I just have to follow some conditions which is given over here. If you see, the first condition is I have to open Kerala, which I have already done. Then in utility folder, I have to activate my environment. Let me go to the utility folder. So yes, this is the utility folder. I have to open command prompt cmd. Then activate self_driving_car. Self_driving underscore car is nothing but my environment name. Now I will have to wait it so that it is my environment is loaded and activated. Wait, it may take some time. This is my second video on Kerala, you know that. So now I have to change the weather. So I will change to Python dynamic weather.py speed 0.1. Wait a minute. Python dynamic. So yeah, it will open. It may take some time. Actually, the problem is I have opened it in utility folder. It is for changing type, so I have to open it example folder. So cmd and now I have to do it. Activate self_driving_car. Wait. Yes, so now I will write Python dynamic weather.py speed 0.1. Now it should work. I will show you what will happen from this. Let it load here. Now see this, it's night time. Now I will just, let me copy this. And now I will again one more time open a cmd command prompt in example folder. Wait, now I will write activate self underscore driving underscore car. Okay, I have to write this code. Python to it is, wait a minute, student activity is the name of that file. The name of my file is project213.py. So Python to, sorry for that, wait a minute, Python project 213.py and let it load. You can see is a police car and it has headlights on. So that it can catch thieves in dark. Thank you, my friend. You're welcome. I will always be grateful to you. Bye bye, it's me, Sharshivasta from Shara's Code. Hope you're fine. Watch my previous video of Carla, my first video of Carla. Stay safe, be happy. It's me, Sharshivasta from Shara's Code. Bye. What? Where are the lights? Oh, it's night. What should I do? Can you help me? Oh yeah, I forgot. My lights. My headlights. Now I can see everything in dark. The police doesn't have a bad work. They save us. They catch thieves and robbers. So they need something so that they can see both in day and night. Otherwise, the thieves and robbers will have an opportunity to attack and steal at night. You're correct, my dear friend. Zoom. Woo. Woo. Bye, have a nice day.